Hey, I'm Connor with GME Supply, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Crosby Mckissick SHUR-LOC Synthetic Rope Block. This rigging block has been specially designed with ease of use and durability in mind. The first thing to note is that it's labeled for use with synthetic rope, making it ASME B30 compliant. ASME B30.26-5 is a standard used for all rigging blocks and their use with capstan hoists. It covers everything from materials to load ratings to inspection and repair, but we won't go too deep into that standard for this video. If you want more information on ASME B30, click right here. The SHUR-LOC Synthetic Rope Block boasts some unique features that make it the quintessential rigging block. First off, this block comes in two sizing options, 1/2-inch rope compatible and 5/8-inch rope compatible. It has a sheave diameter of 3 inches, a working load limit of 2 tons, and weighs roughly 6 pounds. It also has a self-lubricating bearing and is made of steel right here in the USA. Moving on to features that really set it apart from other rigging blocks. The fact that it's specifically designed for use with synthetic rope means that the rope can flatten out without pinching while under tension. The most popular feature about this block is the positive lock latch hook that replaces the traditional shackle top design. The hook is self-locking, so if the block is properly loaded, it's virtually impossible for the latch to open, thanks to its unique design. Furthermore, the hook is on a swivel in order to maximize its versatility. Replacing the shackle top with this hook removes the need to use a wrench to load the block, and with that removes the risk of dropping bolts or other parts of the shackle. On top of the safety and convenience factors, the self-locking hook mechanism is a serious time saver in an industry full of tedious procedures. To implement the Crosby Mckissick SHUR-LOC Synthetic Rope Block into your rigging plan, head over to gmesupply.com. Check out this video for more info on that ASME B30 standard. And keep up with our latest videos by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.